Kini kalau Kajing Penberana Health and Family Welfare Department kebayai but COVID-19 kumpulan orang mentakasi after August hajar arho ki positive case ki berteman mentakasi kilong kapra nagini kapra khadlai gide hapo East Coast Hills but nagini ki khadlai iway de ibon phai returning lai gide the armed forces sun gide BSF but sao kiway the ribhoi sao lai gide ki bon phai ki returnees iway na kiway East Janta Hills iway the active case, total active case ke mengidan hadu mentah kilong hindres pa san. Nagi ni hindres pa san, hapo East Coast Hills, South pa kendai penyu. Pada gini ki South pa kendai penyu, BSF as pa khadlai, others kiwe kilong as pa penyu, but the armed forces san penyu. West Coast Hills Sun, Southwest Coast Hills Mundon, Ribhoi Sanpo, West Janta Hills Khatsao, East Janta Hills Khadnyo, West Garo Hills Khadnrio, Southwest Garo Hills Sao, South Garo Hills R, East Garo Hills but not Garo Hills Mundon. Kibala recover mentakasi kilong khatar but nagini khatar East Coast Hills hipo gide BSF but R gide others perhat kini kibala recover khatar gide napo East Coast Hills tigamot kelum lang barkhat kibala recover hadu mentak kilong ndres pa aspa ndres pusau but ki bala klat no kilong sam kini kilong ting pendana kaliang jong health and family welfare hadu mentak kamu kini positive case mengidon khatra. These positive cases are out of 18. East Coast Hills we had told 13. Apo East Coast Hills kilo khatlai. Iway ide health staff napo negrims. Iway ide contact apo negrims. Iway ide positive. Ibayo ibalong contact. Jong iway ni positive case keberan hangi iway patient apo civil hospital Shillong lai gidi armed forces sun gi BSF but iway returning apo Delhi Ribhoi argot gidi returning apo Bihar iway de returning apo Assam but iway ibatray kum ikok apo SIRD Corona Care Center nong Sdare East Janta Hills idan iway ide ibashidam sari dan ke sari kedai ke sari kes bat mentak dan sumari apa iway nak hospital ko jiwai arun ni menen nako kawai kedai mau ba berapa tahun ba kawai jalupara kawai ni positive case kepada nong tu ba mau ba berapa tahun ba jalupara arun menen. For today, the 2nd of August 2020, with regard to COVID-19 status from Health Department. The new positive cases for the day is 18, East Coast Hills 13. Out of this 13, 1 is a returnee, 3 are armed forces, 5 from the BSF, and 4 from the others. Ribhoi 4, 3 returnees, 1 others. East Janta Hills 1. The total number of active cases is 605. East Coast Hills 497. Out of this 497, BSF 213, others 227, Armed Forces 57, West Khasi Hills 5, Southwest Khasi Hills nil, Ribhoi 50, West Jaintia Hills 14, East Jaintia Hills 17, West Garo Hills 16, Southwest Garo Hills 4, South Garo Hills 2, East Garo Hills and North Garo Hills nil. The total number of positive cases, patients who have recovered for the day is 12, 10 from the BSF and 2 others. The total number recovered is 264 with 5 deaths so far.